Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to share with you my latest setup, and this is for my fall planner. So this actually is not a planner. This is an album, a sticker album, the large size from Simply Gilded in the mustard color that I have paired with one of Irene's jumbos. This is the one in the saddle color. So these are both released. They were both released recently, and I thought they would look so cute together. So as I have shared previously, what I like to do is I like to transform Irene's sticker albums into planners, just because they're so beautiful, and because I don't know, I just like to use them as planners. And I will have a video coming up soon on how you can do this, but basically I'll show you how I attach it quickly here and how you can easily transform this into a planner. And again, this is the large size. Now, since it's fall and finally the weather is kind of getting a little cooler, I went to Michael's and I found a ton of new paper pads, and the one that I wanted to use for this setup, and I think it's a perfect match. Look how cute it is together. It's the Colors of Autumn, and this is one of those hot buys. It's by Recollections. I bought them when they were, I think they were having a big sale a couple of weeks ago, but just check it out. They're $19.99, but you can always buy them for like $5 or less than $10 each if you keep an eye on the sales. So I'll be using that that paper pad and Simply Gilded washi as always, and I'll share everything that I have used in the setup. But going back on this vegan leather album, again, this is the mustard color. This did not come with the bow. This is the jumbo. This is in the saddle color. So to attach it here, basically what I did is I removed the little clip that it's right here at the top, and then I used two brads here to attach it to the flap of the album. And I've also used some double-sided very strong adhesive that I get on Amazon to stick it to the little closure. Now, as I mentioned before, this doesn't make a very easy opening and closing. If you want to be in and out real quick, I would actually move the jumbo a little higher so that the little heart is visible, and then you can open and close it much easier. But I personally don't care. I just like the look of having the bow right there on the flap, so I just kept it that way. And here, by the way, it's just a little charm that I've had it, and that is I had it in my stash. It came from an older planner kit that I had years ago. Now, going back to the planner, this again is a large album which fits your B6 inserts, which is my favorite size, and so for that reason I like to transform it into a planner. Now, on the side here we have a pocket, and then I have used, this little antler, this little deer came off. This is a little paper clip that came into a TwoLilBees older box, and I thought it looked so cute there, and it's holding on to these Vellum little sticky notes, which came in the Divine box always from Simply Gilded. And here is I just cut open this little lace paper. This one came from another box from the TwoLilBees. I just stuck it there just because I wanted to add a little bit of this kind of burgundy brownish color on the corner, because there's a lot of yellow. And then here I have a little washi card from ScribblePrintsCo, and I have used the washi from Simply Gilded, and this is the newest washi, and some older washi. And then this paper clip that says hello is from an older box of the TwoLilBees. I keep everything. I don't know if you you got that. Let me move the little guy here actually. But so as always, I have 3 sections, and this will be my daily planner. And the front here is this gorgeous acetate that came from an older TwoLilBees box. I am glad I kept and I held on to it because it's so pretty together. And I have used here in the front this little vegan leather bow. There's a bow charm from the Simply Gilded, which I removed the charm from. It's just right there. I use double-sided tape to attach it. And for the first insert, I have chosen these beautiful papers. They're all color coordinated, so they all, blend beautifully, by the way. So this is from the Michaels pad. I have used these kind of muted, champagne gold little glitter edgers from the Planner Society on the side. And then these little cards, our journaling cards, are always from the paper pad from Michaels. And I have layered them on this this is just a metallic paper from Michaels. I've used little brads in the shape of buttons just because it looks so cute and it gives it almost that kind of cozy feel. And then this bow is from Hobby Lobby. And in the back here, I have this little raffia that actually this is not called raffia, but I'll put it in what it is because every time I forget what it's called. But I layered it. This is actually from Amazon and I used it for some wrapping before. So I'll just, add a link below. And it looks so cute. I mean, I think it's very cozy. I love fall and it just gives me fall vibes. Now here, the paper that comes in the paper kit from, not paper kit, but the paper pad, this paper pad, is not double-sided, which is just the only thing that I wish I could change on Michael's paper pads. Most of them are not double-sided, so I basically double-sided it myself. I chose whichever paper I thought would look better with, this cute patterns with little acorns and nuts and mushrooms, etc. And I thought this gorgeous kind of dark muted orange will look beautiful, and it has all these pumpkins, fall, all little sayings about fall. And then this is a little insert that came in, I'm pretty sure it was the Divine box, or not, maybe not, but it's in a previous box from Simply Gilded, so it's just a little paper insert. And then in the back here, I have used another one of these little, little pockets that came into from a Planner Society previous box. It has this lace front, this beautiful mustard yellow. And then here's another one of the little deer's paper clips, always from the Planner Society. I have these stickers that I had in my stash, stickers from the Planner Society. And then I made a little washi sampler with the washi that I used to make the Washi Dashboard, and I just snuck it back in there, and I just think it's so cute. I mean, just this whole planner makes me want to turn on my my fireplace and roast some chestnuts or something. Then here in we have the Washi Dashboard, and I've used recent washes from Simply Gilded, and I've included some older ones like this heart little thin washi that is actually a perforated one, then also the kind of burgundy one here, the floral little strip, and then I have a little bow sticker always from Simply Gilded, but these are new ones, like the pumpkin ones just came out in the recent release. Then I have another one of this acetate, and I think I got this acetate from Michaels. This is an acetate that I basically moved from planner to planner because I love it so much, and it has all these words on it. It says collect moments. It's just perfect for Thanksgiving. And here on the side, I don't know if you can tell it because the reflection is atrocious, I have two of the little pumpkins seals or stickers that are in the Simply Gilded shop, but these are in the gold color, and I just layered them to make it look a little bit like a pumpkin patch or something. And then here's my second insert that has another white inserts. I use these inserts a lot for jotting down things and for lists of things that I need to purchase, and this is also from a previous box. And I love this paper, always from the same paper pad. I love this kind of plaid kind of design with the cream background, some mustard, some little bit of orange, and this is so cute. The same journaling card from the same paper pad, layered in the same exact way as the previous one. I just love this kind of like autumn inspired table with your pumpkin, with your chocolate cake. I mean, I'm getting hungry just looking at it. And a little coffee, maybe your pumpkin spice coffee, etc. But I just think it's so cute. And then oh yes, and this is the paper that I chose to layer it with. I wanted to bring out more of the mustard color, so you have all this kind of like floral herb pattern. and then the same edges, and this time I had to pick the larger edges, not because I wanted to alternate, even though it kind of looks cute when you alternate the size of the edges from small to big and then to small, but I literally did not have any more of this size for you know, 3 of them, so I had to use the larger ones. And in the back of this insert, instead, I have this older little vegan letter pocket that came into from a previous box from Irene, and she was just the perfect size, just because it has, first of all, the little cute boat right in the middle, but I wanted to put in here these flags that I purchased so many years ago from XOMamaplans. She doesn't make this anymore. I collected all the ones that she released in the past. She does make beautiful stickers as well. So they are the pumpkin spice flags, and I just cherish these because, again, they are not made anymore. So I just put them in there. The colors match. I layered a little pumpkin, little paper clip, some more stickers from the TwoLilBees, and this one from another box, a little flag paper clip there, and I think it just looks cute. And then on the back here of the Acetate from Michaels, I put more pumpkins. You can actually see better here. Now here's the back of the Washi Dashboard, and here is a Vellum from another Planner Society box. So it has this plaid pattern. I love because the color is kind of this softer maroon burgundy color, so it matches the color of this journaling card. And then I add a sticker that says autumn that I had in my stash, and this is the cutest. I just love this kind of like softer you know, kind of pink maroonish color with the little mushrooms, and then this pumpkin spice and everything nice. It's just perfect together, same layering. So I try to keep it consistent, because so when you're going through your planner, it's aesthetically, it's just more pleasing to the eye to just kind of follow. You know, I try to transition from similar colors, so the first 2 were more similar in colors, and then this kind of burgundy was a little bit of a departure, so that's why I put in the burgundy color here in the Washi Dashboard, if it makes sense. But this instead, it's backed with this other paper here, this burgundy paper, and as always, I use my favorite inserts from Annieplans. So this is my favorite format. This is the dated and timed with 3 columns, 1 day per page, and the stickers that I used are from TwoLilBees. I have some from all the kids from ScribblePrintsCo, and so I just love it. I just love all the stickers. I just, you know, I just put them in, and then I'm gonna change them up, you know, add more stickers depending on what I'm gonna do. But again, this is my favorite format. This is what I use every month for planning. And then in the back here, I have this adorable little sticky notes that are from ShopVillaBeautiful. So this is just ShopVillaBeautiful. They are so gorgeous. This is, I've been holding on to this little you know, sticky notes, and I use it rarely just because I love it so much. It's just beyond adorable. And then here is the back of the Vellum with more pumpkins. And then since I had an extra elastic, I have added this little pouch from an older box from Simply Gilded. This is supposed to have rose gold under it, but because I wanted to have gold heart, I just added a heart sticker. It's just attached. I moved this pouch from you know, planner to planner, because you can just slide it in and out. You can store coupons, you can store, you know, tickets, stickers, whatever you want. Now, going back real quick before, because I got a lot of questions on how I transform this sticker albums into a planner. It's super simple. Basically, you're gonna have here the insert that it's plastic with rivets. You can just use something sharp like scissors or something to remove the rivets, and then you have to put, you know, make 3 holes on top and 3 holes on the bottom. And for this particular setup, I've used this metallic elastic that's 2mm in gold that I got from Amazon. And that's it. But I will have a video coming up, you know, on how to do it if you need step-by-step instructions. But again, this is the setup, and I hope you will like it. And if you have any questions, please send me a DM on Instagram at Planningfancy, as I answer all DMs. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, that you're enjoying the cooler weather, and sending hugs from me to you. Bye-bye.